Hello, people. Today, right now, I'm reviewing the layer Wattagirl, perfume. Yeah, and it's called the Deep Space Fragrant Body Splash. And what the top two best things about this product is that since it comes in a transparent container, you can know exactly how much of perfume that or whatever deo spray, body spray that you have left, and also it smells fairly good. So it's nice to be generous with body odor, something that nobody should really go through. So this is smelling good. Wow. Even as I open it right now, there's this good fragrance that is spreading across the room, so that is a good thing. So I would give it a 5-star rating because it is such a good product. So I'm going to layer Water Girl Deep Space. That's the this blue color bottle. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching.